1305 Franklin Avenue. Fancy. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, this is cool.
What the?
Otis.
Otis. These are like those other buildings.
Probably from a similar age, but I like this panel design much better.
They're very unique style.
Definitely a basement. Oh, they even got it on the lanterns too. Alright, motor. Whoa. Right. Try to get the other one. Wonder what these look like on the outside. Probably just the same as.
I'm probably not going to do the other one.
We don't have to. Monitor TR fixtures, but again, I love this panel. I'm pretty sure this is advertised on a monitor's website. Like, there's a specific name for it. Alright, you can take this up into one if you don't want to do the other one. I'm doing it though. There he goes. While we're waiting. Just an ESD system. Oh god. Yeah, this one's nicer. I like that. Alright. Alright, motor. Plop. Holy hell. That generates a lot of red flags. They're nice though, I will give it that. These are pretty nice. I love this panel design, like I said. Yeah, there's no brand on this anywhere. Someone just pressed the button. I don't know if it was Ethan or someone else. There's an identical building right next to this. We'll see if this has the same thing. I love the indicators. I'm getting pictures of that stuff. That's cool. Alright, that's it.